what I have now is what I wish somebody had given me when I started. As you may know, I was lucky enough to be working hard at a hotel in 1980 at the Century Plaza Hotel in Los Angeles, and a billionaire in the name of Edmond Bessari, and he's still alive. He's in Monaco. And he came to me and he stopped me in the lobby. He said, listen, you're working so hard. I see you running around from early morning to late at night. What the heck are you trying to do? He's a hotel guest. And I'm like, I'm so proud of myself. My life was to be general manager of a hotel. And I said, I don't know if you noticed, I have a golden name tag. He goes, yeah, I noticed. What is that all about? Oh, that means they identified me as a management trainee, and I have potential to become a general manager if I work hard for 10 years. He looked at me, he said, how much does a hotel general manager make? This is 1980. I'm like, I'm looking around. I heard they can make up to 100,000 a year. He goes, are you crazy? You're going to spend your whole life working like this? You can even take a vacation. You need to come and work for me. And I work for him. I'm thinking, I said, to do what? He said, I have properties around the world. I need somebody with your enthusiasm and energy. I've been watching you. I need you to come and work for me. I'll change your life. I'll teach you. I remember he said, I'll teach you what Harvard Business School cannot teach anyone. And I said, sir, I don't even know residential real estate to know commercial real estate around the world. What are you? Like, and he said, I have more confidence in you than you have in yourself. Why did he have more confidence in me? He saw potential. Yet everybody has that potential.